Hello and welcome to 1 Minute Italian, beginner's level, where you learn something simple yet useful in Italian in just 1 minute. In today's lesson, how do you say that you know how to do something in Italian? That you have the skill to be able to do something. For example, I can sing, I can drive. All we need are 2 verbs. First of all, we need the verb sapere, which, amongst other things, means to know how. To say I know how, we say io so. Io so. We then need a second verb to say what we know how to do. For example, io so cantare. Io so guidare. To say that we don't know how to do something, we just add a negative before the verbs. Io non so cantare. Io non so guidare. We can also use bene to say that we can do something well. Io so cantare bene. Io so guidare bene. We can also use ma to join 2 sentences together. Io so cantare, ma non so guidare. You can look up any verb in the Italian dictionary, for example, to swim, to cook, and you can use it in this way. Leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you can do well.